Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can edit a menu on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're going to find the option to create a new folder. Here you're going to find the option to create a new site. Right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the search bar if you want to search for a website. And you can also add filters. Here you're going to find a list that includes all of the websites that you have on Wix. So for example, I'm going to go to this site and then hover my mouse over it. And then here you're going to find the option to select and edit the site. So all you need to do guys is click on this option. And then as you can see guys, the dashboard right now is loading. And this is how the dashboard looks like. Here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections, the setup section, home, getting paid, sales, and so on. And then here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit a site. So go ahead and click on edit site. And then once you do that, this will take you to the editor page. So just wait for this editor page to load. And then this is how it will look like. So basically guys, as you can see here in the left, you're going to find all of the tools that you need in order to customize your site. You can add an element, you can add sections. Here you're going to find pages and menus, site design. You can add apps, my business, media, CMS, and lastly, marketing and SEO. You can also find some tools right here. If you click on tools, here you're going to find toolbar, layers, rulers, grid lines, and snap to objects. So right now, you can just go to the menu you want to customize. For example, I'm going to scroll down to this one. And then you can just click on it and then literally click on any item here in the menu. And you can customize it. As you can see, guys, here you're going to find all of the tools that you will need. For example, if you click here on quick edit, right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to change the background. Here you're going to find slider gallery. You can go back from here. You can also manage your products from here, go to the settings, and so on. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.